What's up, subscribers? It's a third donkey here, and I have returned again from my slumbers. My last video was awful, but it has the most views on my channel. I don't know why. So today I'm doing Vegemite. I ordered a jar of Vegemite from Amazon. It came yesterday. I have it with me, and I'm gonna do it the right way, which Australians do it. So, see that? It's right there. Yep, Vegemite. So I'm gonna toast bread, put some butter on there, put a little bit of Vegemite, do a food review once again. Here's my Vegemite, some butter, like bread. Hopefully I can master the Australian way to eat Vegemite. So I highly recommend don't eat a spoonful of this because you'll die. So my bread in my toaster. Here we go. Okay, so we just gotta wait. Okay. If you smell Vegemite, it's a really good smell. It's like malty, yeah. It's like super thick. It's like tar. It's like dried up tar. I tried a spoonful of it today. Oh my gosh, I had to spit it out. So yeah, it's pretty strong. Okay, I'm smearing the butter to the toast. The key is put butter on the toast and let the butter melt into it. Unfortunately, for some reason, I have done research on this to prepare myself for this ordeal. It's supposed to be really bad. And it does taste bad, but I'm gonna test it the right way. So I'm gonna try to put like a lot of butter on this thing. Okay, I think the butter is pretty much melted into the toast. So now time for the Vegemites, the evil substance.
Okay, I'll go first. Your person has
Not too much. Oh, what am I doing? Right there, yeah. What are you doing? Okay. Here we go. Good golly.
Your person has white hair.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, that's enough Vegemite. Okay, here we go. Time for the taste test. So, look at that. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's not really, it's not as strong of a smell as it was because the butter counters it. So I hope it counters the taste also. Here we go.
Daniel. Who do you No, guess me. Just show me.
A little bit too much Vegemite on that part of the toast, so let's try this. Just a little less. Still really strong. I'll have another bite. Vegemite kind of tastes like throw up actually. It's like really acidic.
Okay, ready? I'll go first.
Contains folic acid.
Blonde hair.
So,
Well, what do you rate this? On a scale 1 to 10.
1 to 10.
0 being the worst thing you ever had in your life, and 10 like the best.
I'll give it a 4. So, that was my food review. I haven't done food reviews in a while, but I might do another one like soon. I might order something from Amazon again because this is where I got that $8. So that was food review, and I'll see you later.